Hello my lovely people, it's your Igbo girl the Ototayo wey dey bring on ogbonge news all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbes mona gather your mind yarn una the tori as e dey hot. So guys, today we wan talk about the Nigeria Catholic priest wey dem dey call Father Kevin Ugwo. Don do wetin come outside come talk im own concerning wetin e dey see when e dey happen for the country Nigeria. He come talk say as e stand now, he believe say dem need more Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, make e fit do wetin deliver people from this katakata wey dey happen for the country. Dem need more voice like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wey go fit do wetin speak for people, because as e stand now, a lot of people don think say wetin dey happen for the country na just normal something wey dem dey kpai people, kidnapping dey go on, dem dey pay ransom, government dey pay as they like. So that thing no be normal something, make people no feel normal about am, because as e stand now, Nigeria na be the third country wey dey for list place wey people no fit dey do wetin dey go again, and e no dey okay like that. So he come say look am now, make you see the kpain wey e happen for Southern Kaduna and Jos. Even small pikin dey butcher and join. How you go fit sleep with this kind of news every time? E dey very loquacious, e no good like that. As e stand now for this President Muhammadu Buhari administration, kidnapping of a student from school, e don turn to real business wey dem come dey do now, dey get money. And for the country, the business don dey grow very fast. So he come talk say if you look to the attack wey happen for the Nigeria defensive wanted school, till today dem never find the culprit. Dem still dey look am. He come say how come Nigeria government no fit do wetin identify people wey do this thing, dem no fit bring them to book. He say if you look the thing, e no too make sense. How you go fit talk say or no government dey just waka enter Nigeria defensive school, dey just kpai two soldiers wey e get rank? Up till now we never fit even know anything concerning them. He say if you look to this thing, e no too make sense. He say see am now, Boko Haram wey do wetin dey kpai people up and down, dem dey do wetin dey talk say dem don repent, and Nigeria government dey do wetin dey care for them. But person like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey do wetin put am for prison, and some Nigerians dey do wetin dey happy say they arrest am. So you when you dey rejoice, look am from now on. You yourself, you go dey ask yourself say why I rejoice when they arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Because he dey speak the truth for you. Very soon your eye go do wetin clear, say small small now the thing don dey go. If you no get light for Nigeria now, e just dey like normal something to Nigeria people. Then now dem don still add kidnapping and banditry join am to be the normal thing. Now everybody don dey do wetin dey get used to kidnapping and bandit. Fuel price don dey do wetin dey increase up and down. So the prince come talk say Nigeria never do wetin get am bad reach like this before. Now when e come dey now, dem no know wetin be the problem. Nigeria as e stand now with the present structure, e no sure say this Nigeria, one Nigeria go work. E no go work, and e no go ever work, because as e stand now, e no sure say one Nigeria dey again. He say the way dem imprison Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, e come mean say something dey wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey talk when the Nigeria government dey fear. He say because as e stand now, dem wan try to do wetin silence im voice, like the way dem do to Twitter user, like the way dem do for Lekki toll gate. So all this one come show say the plan wey this government get, nobody never know concern am. Dem never bring am come out. So he come conclude say God na him do wetin dey big pass. E bigger than the government, bigger than every other thing. God go do wetin expose everyone when e hand no good for the government. Anybody wey dey plan evil for Nigerians, God go do wetin expose all of them, and God go do wetin shock all of them. So for im message be say make dem free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because he dey do wetin dey talk the truth, dey give the Nigeria government. So dem no want make him continue to dey talk the truth, make people come know where dem dey, make people come know their mind, make dem no feel say to kidnap person na normal something. So the way Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey talk, dem look am say e go stop dem, e go make Nigerians open their eye. So dem no want nothing like that. That is why dem do wetin imprison Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So make dem free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and make Nigerians dey wise, make dem speak up, because as e stand now dem need many voice like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wey go fit represent dem. So make dem no keep quiet. So if you look to wetin the man talk is truth, Nigeria as e stand now e no go fit work with this present structure. Who even blind sef e dey aware of this. People wey even get physical challenge, dem know say Nigeria no go even deaf, dem know. So Reverend Father Kevin don do wetin talk wetin e say concerning this arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Nigeria government. So guys, na the matter be this. Now say ma do wetin come let una know wetin you see concerning this issue. Write it down in the comment section. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge update news.